Hi, my name is Kiernan Thompson, and I'm here to help you fix your noisy garage door. Now, my garage door is not as noisy as it used to be because I followed the steps that I'm about to show you in just a little bit. Now, first, you want to go to your nearest hardware store to get some garage door lubricant. Now, I have synthetic, but the best is silicone, but anything works better than WD-40, so don't use that. The points you're going to want to lubricate is the rollers, the hinges, opener arm bar points, and your torsion springs. Now, if you have extension springs, don't need any maintenance. They're maintenance free because they get stretched, not wound. Openers have a protective coating that lasts the lifetime of a motor, so you don't have to do anything there. Now, what you're going to want to do is shake up the can and spray it right on the points where they move. Now, for the torsion spring, you're going to want to go to the top of the spring and spray it lightly, making sure all of it gets coated. Do the same for the other spring too. Now, if you really want to make it noise-free, you're going to want to get a wrench and a socket. This is a 7/16 socket wrench, so get that size. And you're going to want to tighten any point of bolts on your garage door to make it noise-free. Now, there's a little bit of something else that I forgot to mention. While you're lubricating, you're going to want to manually open the door up and down a couple of times just to make sure everything is running smoothly. And also check how well balanced your door is. Well, this one seems to be doing good. Now, once you're done, you're going to want to flip this back up and run your door up and down a couple of times. And see how you did. Now, mine was already lubricated, so it's pretty quiet. And congratulations, you're done. You just have to close your garage door now.